If you've ever needed to create a signature request link that you can use anywhere, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in just 3 minutes, so stick with me. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create and share signature request links with anyone, whether you're handling contracts, agreements, or any other document that requires a signature. Plus, I'll be offering you an exclusive free trial of the software I'll be using today, available only to my viewers. Let's dive straight into it. First, you'll need to choose the right software to create a signature request link. I've tested several, and the one I recommend is super easy to use and reliable. But you don't need to spend hours researching because I've already done that for you. I'll drop a link in the description below for an exclusive free trial if you want to follow along. Now, once you've signed up for the software, log in and create a new document. This could be any file, whether it's a PDF or a document you've created online. From there, look for the option to add a signature field. This is usually a button that says something like Add Signature or Request Signature. Click on that and you'll be able to choose the exact spot where you want the signature to go. Once you've set up your document with the signature fields, the next step is creating the link. Most software allows you to generate a unique URL for each signature request. This is where the magic happens. You'll be able to send this link anywhere, and your recipients can sign the document without needing to log in or download anything. All they need to do is click the link, fill in their information, and sign. After that, you can share the link via email, text, or even on your website. You can send it directly to clients, partners, or anyone else who needs to sign your document. It's that simple. Plus, you'll receive notifications whenever someone signs, so you stay updated on the status. If you're still wondering how to create a signature request link that you can use anywhere, the key takeaway is the right software will allow you to quickly create a shareable link that makes signing documents easy, fast, and secure. Quick recap. First, sign up for the software I recommend. Then, create a new document and add your signature fields. After that, generate the signature request link and share it wherever you need. Remember, if you want to follow along and try this yourself, check the link in the description below for an exclusive free trial of the software I use. Don't miss it. That's it for this tutorial. Keep it simple, use the link, and save time. Thanks for watching.